If you cannot attend the Canton Fair in person, don't worry. By the end of this video, I'll be teaching you how to attend the Canton Fair or get direct contacts of all the suppliers or manufacturers who will be exhibiting their products during the Canton Fair without traveling to China. The days of getting a visa, traveling to China to attend Canton Fair is over. All you need is an internet, your mobile phone, and this platform or this video to learn how to get direct contacts of all the suppliers or manufacturers by sitting at the comfort of your home. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video for more content from this channel. This channel is here to make importation from China easy by sitting at the comfort of your home wherever you are in this world. If you don't know about Canton Fair, it's one of the largest exhibition fairs in the world, and every year it happens. Mostly the largest phase in October to November in China. Well, attending Canton Fair is very stressful because first you need to invest money, visa, flight ticket, hotel. It requires huge investment, and second, attending Canton Fair in person is another stress because the fair is very huge and very large. Therefore, you might not be able to meet all suppliers, and it's very hard visiting every kind of exhibitors. That is why with this video you can just sit at the comfort of your home and get direct contacts of all the suppliers. Well, I've not been sponsored by anyone to make this video. You know, we are always here to make your importation from China easy. So straight away, all you have to do is to go to App Store or Play Store. If you go to App Store or Play Store, just type Canton Fair, your App Store or Play Store. So I already have the app, so straight away I will open the app. So this is the home page of the Canton Fair. This is the homepage of the Canton Fair, and you can find several manufacturers. Before you can see this, you need to register an account, and you can do that by clicking on me on your right down corner. So me, after clicking on that, you have to do registration check up there to register. I already have an account, and it's very easy. You can use your email to register and register as overseas buyer. Now, this is a phase of the Canton Fair. We have several exhibitors, so you can check on the itinerary. So on the itinerary plan is for mostly for people who are coming to visit. Now we can see the exhibitors and the products. This is all we need since we are not attending the exhibition fair. So now we have different kinds of products, and at the Canton Fair, if you have ever attended, you know there are several phases. We have phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So phase 1 is what is happening on October 15th to 19th. And phase 1 has got the kinds of products they have. We have electronics and appliances, manufacturing vehicles, and all those stuff. So you have to select which kind of products you need or supplies you need. So I'll click manufacturing. Manufacturing, which kind of products? Agricultural machinery. So I'll be clicking on my agricultural machinery. So now, after clicking on that, I can find different kinds of products of agricultural machineries. So we can see that. Now, after seeing the different kinds of products, what we need is suppliers contact. So check on the top, you can see suppliers. So I'll click on suppliers. Now, you can find huge sums of suppliers here. So you can see we find Jiangsu, then Shandong, this. So let me click on Esther Agriculture. So after clicking on that, you get full detail. So if you are attending this exhibition fair, you need to just know phase 1 5.0B04 is where the supplier is. So straight away you know all the details. Now on our phone we can find every detail about the supplier, when they establish and everything, the products. Now you can go to products. Before we go there, this is very good because with this you can know the exact detail of the suppliers. Coming to China to attend this exhibition fair in person, most of the time the suppliers who can tell you any story, but with this platform you can know when exactly they establish their factory, whether they are trading company, whether they are manufacturers. So from here you go to products. Now you can see products. Now we can see all the kinds of products they manufacture. So it's mostly these kind of products, extra rotary. So you can see the detail of the products. This is what they make, their largest exports. So here what we are more interested in is the contact details. So that is what we need, and here you go. See contact information, name Jacob, email, and we have mobile phone. So with this number, all you have to do is you just copy by clicking this, then contact the person whether WhatsApp or via WeChat app. Easy, very easy, right? So this is how you can find all the suppliers, all the manufacturers without traveling to China. So it's very, very easy. If you have ever attended the Canton Fair, then you can know that by the end of the day, if you want to really see most of the products, you might not take even 20 contact cards of manufacturers or suppliers, because at the site you'll be seeing different kinds of products, and you like to ask questions, you like to feel the product and all those types, and before the day ends you might not be able to meet every kind of supplier. So that is why with this video you can learn easily how to get all the contacts of these suppliers by sitting at the comfort of your home. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video for more content like this from China. We are a registered trading company based in China, and if you need anything about importing from China, then this platform is meant for you. We have over 7 years experience living in China, learning their culture and learning how to do business with Chinese. Anything about importing from China, we are your number one plug. If you need importation, sourcing, if you need sourcing, procurement, product inspection, if you want us to inspect your products before it leaves China, you can contact us. Always make sure to inspect your products and know the exact kind of products your supplier have sent to you to avoid any scam whatsoever, especially those who are living outside China. According to YouTube, about 80% of people who usually watch my videos have not subscribed or do not like my videos. Honestly, liking or subscribing does not take anything out of you. However, it motivates DAKS import and export trading to always bring content that will make your importation journey from China so easy. If you don't know, if you have been facing any challenge in importing from China, just comment in the comment section and let me know the next video you are expecting from this channel. Always remember, we are here because of you. We are based in China because of you, to make your importation journey so easy. Until then, don't forget to subscribe, and bye bye. Share, nime.